Vande Mataram students, welcome to 11th standard. Grown up kids, not kids, now youth, right? Today was our third lecture and I'm sending this video what we have learned in these 3 days. Okay, we started our chapter number 1 in business study. Commerce is new subject to you and business, it's compulsory subject in that, like economics and accountancy. So what is, before we come to what is business study, why business study is subject? It's going to give a good introduction to the realities of business. You can become a more effective team player in future. If you're going to have your own business, you will learn how to manage people effectively. Okay? And what is business study? It is study of combination of accountancy, finance, marketing, and organizational studies. And obviously economics. Now, our more focus in business study will be on the finance and organizational studies. Business fundamentals are very important to develop understanding about how business operates and its functions. Our first chapter is nature and purpose of business. Learning objective of this chapter is, after studying this chapter, you should be able to understand the concept and characteristic of business, the difference between what are the distinctive features of business, profession, and employment, classify business activities, and clarify the meaning of industry and commerce, state various types of industry, explain the activities relating to commerce, analyze the objective of business, and most important, business risk and their causes. Okay? And basic factors to be considered when you are going to start your own business. You all are aware that all human beings, wherever they may be, they require different types of goods and services to satisfy their needs. So business is a major economic activity in all modern society concerned as it is with the production and sales of goods and services required by people. What is the main purpose behind business? Need to understand main purpose behind the business is to earn income through profit. Okay? Concept of business, all of you are very well aware that all the business activities are, all the activities, not all business activities, are divided into 2 parts, economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities, yes, whatever you are doing for monetary purpose is known as economic activities. What you are doing for non-monetary purpose, it is known as non-economic activity. There are 2 types of economic activities, profession, employment, and business. Right? Characteristic of business activity, business is economic activity. It is also production or procurement of goods and services. It is also about sales or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Business deals in goods and services on regular basis. It's not a temporary kind of thing. Profit earning is very important characteristic of business, and it is actually, profit is nothing else but earned income by the business person. Uncertainty of return is key characteristic of business. Every business invests money to run its activity with the object of profit, but this is not certain. We already learned this. Element of risk is very big, and because of certain unfavorable and undesirable events during running class, we have discussed about all these events. Now, what is difference between business, profession, and employment? When we talk about business, it refers to those economic activities which are connected with the production or purchase and sale of goods and supply of services with the main object of earning profit. Okay, when we talk about profession, it includes about those activities which require special knowledge and skill to be applied by individual. They have to follow certain code of conduct. Employment is refers to the occupation in which people work for others. We learned this table very nicely during our running classes, right? You should be knowing this. This is classification of business, profession, and employment. Then we also learned about the classification of business activity rather than we went here. Now, business activities are divided into two parts, industry and commerce. There are three types of industry, primary, tertiary, and primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay. Commerce is divided into two parts, trade and auxiliary to trade. Must be remembering that I told you auxiliary to trade matlab support system to trade. Now when we talk about industry, industry refers to the economic activities which are connected with the conversion of resources into useful goods. Okay. First is primary industry. You are very well aware. It is about extraction and production of natural resources. It is also about reproduction and development of living organisms and plants. There are two types of primary industry, extractive industry and genetic industry. Now, extractive industry, when we talk about, we extract or draw out products from the natural resource like farming, lumbering, hunting. We talk about genetic industry. Now, specialized breeding done of the plants and animal for their use in further reproduction. The cattle breeding farms, neem plantation exclusively, ashwagandha plantation exclusively, right? Poultry farms are example of genetic industries. We come to secondary industry. Okay, you know that secondary industries are very important. We've already discussed in length today in our class. It is concerned with using of materials which we have already extracted from the primary stage. Okay, and here we process them for further use. There are two types of secondary industry, manufacturing industry and construction industries. Now, manufacturing industries are divided into four parts: analytical, synthetical, processing, and assembly. When you are analyzing whatever your basic raw material and separate into different elements, is known as the analytical industry. Oil refining, petroleum oil we are talking. Synthetical industry, when you are going to use various raw materials, combination of the ingredients, that is known as synthetical industry. Cement is done. Then we are coming to processing. The successive stage for finished products. We require so many stages before you reach to the finished product, like from cotton to cloth, okay, from sugarcane to sugar, okay. Then assembly. For certain industry, you require to assemble different components and parts, like mobile making, automobile, computer making, right? Okay. So we have learned up till this today. When tomorrow we will meet, we will move further, right? Till then, goodbye and good luck. Jai Hind.